Hello everyone, I am here to share with you a kit I made using some guidelines that I set out for myself to share with all of you. So this kit was made to scrapbook 5 layouts. I chose 5, it just seemed like a good number. And I'm actually going to choose with you the photos that I'm going to scrapbook using this kit. And then the next 5 process videos you see from me will be made using this scrapbook kit. So I have a lot of plaid in this kit, as you'll see. Well, not a lot of plaid, but a fair amount of plaid. So I do want to scrapbook a couple of pictures of my trip to Scotland. So there's 3 layouts for Scotland, one from a different trip, that's to Ohio, and I was going to do another one, like not Scotland, however, I don't have any other pictures in front of me that aren't from Scotland. Okay, let's see, I do have pictures. Okay, here's some puppy pictures of Fergus as a puppy. So let's see what I want to scrapbook. Let's pick out some cute pictures. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. That's his first vet appointment, so I'm gonna scrapbook it. First time at the vet. So fun fact, this picture, let me show, was the first picture we took of him. Well, since we knew that he was ours. Anyways, there are other pictures of him, but we didn't know which puppy we were getting when I took those pictures. So, I am going to scrapbook all layouts of single photos, apparently. That's funny because, anyways, it's just funny. I think I have more pictures of his first vet appointment, but I don't know where they are. So if I find them, I don't think I printed them. They're probably on phones. When I find them, I might print out like 2 smaller photos to go with this layout. So I'm not going to pair up my photos with papers right now because I don't really feel the need to do that. I'm just going to open the drawer beside me so I can put stuff in. So where I started with this kit was that I chose 5 papers that I wanted to use for a background. 4 and 5. So these are my 5 pages that I chose for a background. So this is a Lawn Fawn paper, Chamel paper from Field Trip, Lawn Fawn, and Amy Tangerine. So I like Lawn Fawn for backgrounds. That's why I went to, yeah, those are both long. So I went to their stack on my shelf. And then from this, I knew that I wanted certain things. So I knew that I wanted a page that I could cut apart and put on several layouts. So I pulled out this one from Chamel's Field Trip because it has a lot of the same colors in the circles. And I can cut those out or punch them out or whatever I want to add as embellishments into this. I will likely also pull this stack out of labels and viewfinders to use as well. And then to go along with the cut aparts, I wanted another cut apart that was cut apart cards that I can use for journaling spots, or I can use to cut out the individual pieces to use on layouts. So that was my second thing that I looked for. This is Vicki Boutin's Wildflower and Honey collection. So there are lots there that I can use for this. I probably won't use the one with the brown because there's no other brown. on here. I have black and gray. The back is a really rich orangey yellow color, which I might be able to use, or I might not. So then I was looking at this and I was like, okay, I see I have yellow, pink, grays, and a darker blue. This pattern paper actually works really well because it has yellow and teal and like an aqua blue color and a navy color. So if you look at this paper from Vicki Boutin, we have pink, yellow, teal, aqua, and then there's black, but black, gray, similar tone, right? So then I went through my pattern papers, and I then like to pull in something to, in this case I have 2 sheets of paper that incorporate those colors and they're bold. So the first one is this rainbow star paper from Chamel Field Trip. I'm going to cut it up and use it in pieces. The back of this I won't be using. It is a space theme. I won't be using the back, probably ever. The next piece of paper for bold is from Vicki Boutin's All the Good Thing collection, which is an older collection. It's from 2017. And it is a stripe paper that has all of those colors present in it. So then, obviously, I need something that's subtle that I can use as mats or punching shapes out or to write on if I need to. So I went and got this paper, which is kind of like a grayish aqua paper. I thought it would match really well with the paper pages that I've selected, and it does. And then I got a yellow tone-on-tone paper from Vicki Boutin to match in with this, and a blue paper from Kaisercraft to bring in the brighter blue. This does have a brighter blue stripe in it, and this has the brighter blue there. So that's what I selected for my papers. Now, if you want to, you can make this bigger. I know for me that this is probably enough. I also have cardstock that I can access easily to bring in white or gray or black or navy or pink are the colors that I have over there on my shelving, like over there. So I can see them from here. Oh, I also have yellow. I have like an orangey yellow tone, much like this. There's also the possibility of using the backs. Now, I honestly didn't look at the backs of these when I pulled them out. Okay, so this one actually might be useful. I didn't know that it was there, but I'll show you why. One of the pictures I pulled out actually is of water sports. Kind of. I don't think they're doing it. No, they're not doing it in the picture, but this is from the hotel that we stayed at in Dundee. They have like a wakeboarding, or they did. I don't know if they still do, but they have wakeboarding set up in this little area, and we would sit and watch them. But it would work well with some of these things that are on here. I'm not going to use the brown. I already talked about that. So that might work well as a bit of an embellishment. I was thinking the anchors maybe. This one by Vicki I could use the back of easily. It's just a black and white with a bit of like watercoloring texture in the background. It would be fine to use. The butterflies I could cut out and use, no problem. This one is the only one that I don't think would work. I have a floral already. It's a very different style to this floral. This one's a very realistic looking floral. This one's a very sketchy looking floral. So it probably wouldn't work for this. But like these two papers match almost perfectly. So there's some flexibility if what you chose, in what you chose. So that you can make layouts with different color schemes very easily. Those back over. I already know that the back of the Chamel papers are not ones that I will be using. This is a space one. and this is purple. While I love this pattern paper, absolutely love it, it may not fit in with the color scheme that I have here unless I pull it in with the pink and the yellow or the aqua. Oh, or the gray. I love purple. I might use it, I might not. Purple does appear in the pie charts as well. So that is my kit. I most likely will not pull embellishments to go with this. I'll just grab them on a page by page basis. It's how I scrapbook, but if you wanted to, you could grab some embellishments. Like if you had a partially used sticker sheet, this would be a great way to put it in there and say like, look, this matches, let's get it used up. I just keep my stickers right beside me when I scrapbook, and like my chipboard and stuff is not that far away either, so I can just grab it easily while I scrapbook. I don't have any, actually I do have dog themed embellishments, but I don't usually use them. This is a travel page, so I might grab some travel stickers for it. Well, this is also a travel one. This is cartoon characters in Dundee, if you're interested. This is a picture of the train station in Glasgow. So, I mean, there's the potential here for using really themed embellishments like trains or like boats and surfing icons, obviously dog ones, puppy ones. This one is a little bit harder. There's more of a story that goes with this photo. Obviously it's just one picture, just a picture of a house. I will be cutting out some little ghost embellishments, which I don't know where I've put them. They're around somewhere, to go with this, because it's to go with a specific album that I'm working on, finishing off layouts for / starting layouts for, because I haven't actually started this album. And then I have other pictures that I'm going to put into pocket pages with more writing to go with it. So my plan is to make like a big page with an intro, followed by a series of pocket pages with writing about this on it. Now it's not going to work perfectly because obviously you need to put stuff on the back of pages, so it might be like when you flip this page, the next page is another layout from that, and then the pocket page here, when you flip that pocket page, maybe then you have like the divided pages for the next event, etc. I haven't actually started putting it together, or else I would show it to you, but I haven't started it yet. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. But that is my kit that I'm going to be making these 5 layouts with. I haven't chosen which you know, picture is going to go on which background, anything like that. I literally just chose 5 pictures from my little stack of photos that I have here that I'm working on getting through, and then the puppy album. And I have it. He's adorable. So that is my plan. I still think it's funny that I chose 5 single photo layouts. Hopefully I can find more pictures from his first vet appointment and print them, so that it's not just 5 layouts in a row of single photos. Or maybe I can find some pictures of them actually using the equipment here that you can see in the picture. So stay tuned for that. I will post those videos as I make them, and you will be able to see how I take this collection of supplies that I curated myself into 5 layouts. So thank you for watching, and I will see you later today, likely. If you're watching this video, it will go up along with the first layout made with this kit. As my goal is to have 31 process videos for the month of May. So if there are bonus videos like this kit making one, it will go up in conjunction with a process video. So thank you all very much for watching, and I hope you come back to see what I end up making with this collection of supplies. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.